Hello everyone and welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions hydrology education videos. In this video, I'm going to outline and give you an updated tutorial on how to add commercial elements to your Clear Creek Solutions software, whether it's wwhm 2012, BAM, whichever you happen to be using. This tutorial will give you an idea of how to do that, how to include the commercial elements, because if you freshly download wwhm 2012, for instance, it doesn't come with the commercial elements because state jurisdictional software doesn't want to sponsor one specific company. But we do have an easy way for you to add the commercial elements to your software so you can use them in your modeling scenarios. It's going to be really simple. First, go to clearcreeksolutions.com, put in the URL there. That'll bring up our homepage. Go directly to downloads. And then we have some download instructions here, but you should be fine. Go to download commercial elements. So click on this page. This will take you to the download page for the commercial elements. And now we're going to outline how to actually do that. So we've got some instructions here, and then you can actually download the options.dat file, which I will discuss in a second. But here are the instructions. Okay, it's very, very simple. Open notepad.exe. Okay, everyone with a Windows machine has a version of Notepad, and this will open up Notepad itself. Now, next, if we go here, you can see step 2, copy and paste this text into Notepad. So copy and paste this text here, options commercial equals true. Right click, copy, go to your Notepad document here. Here it is. And then simply paste in the document. Very simple. So you can just take that text directly, copy it, paste it. Excellent. So now we're off to a good start. Now we have to actually move this file into a folder that was installed when wwhm 2012 was installed, or any other software package that you happen to be using from Clear Creek Solutions. For Windows XP, these are the instructions. I doubt anyone's using Windows XP anymore. So we're going to talk about for Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, it's all the same process. You're going to actually save this file in a very specific location. And that is the C program data, wwhm 2012 data folder. Now, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, what Windows likes to do now is actually hide a lot of your folders so you can't actually modify any of the components in them. So you can't actually go into those folders at all. It simply hides them from your machine, which is very nice of Windows to do. So what we have to do is unhide hidden files and folders. So if we go to our search bar here on Windows and we go to show hidden files in File Explorer, it'll now give us the option to show those. So you can see in File Explorer here, I have already enabled show file extensions and show hidden and system files. Now, typically this is off if you have a fresh install on Windows 11. Go ahead and turn this options on. You don't have to have this options on. That's just something I have. But go ahead and turn this on. So now you'll be able to see your hidden files and folders, because if I open the File Explorer, and I go to my C drive, I go to program data, which is the path that we have outlined here. I go to program data. Oh, I'll go back a second. You see this folder is kind of less clear than the other ones. It's kind of blurred out almost. That's because that's a previously hidden file and folder that Windows doesn't want you accessing, apparently. There's nothing wrong with you putting files in there. So now that I've unhidden files and folders, I can double click it and actually use it. Go to your wwhm 2012 or whatever software you're using, go to the folder there, and then go down to data, because it says here, move it to program data, wwhm 2012 data. So we're going to double click on the data folder. And what we want to do is save. We had that notepad file. Let's see if we can track that down here. Right here with the options, commercial equals true. We're going to save this in that file path that we just outlined there. So I just went save as. We're going to go to the C drive, program data, wwhm 2012 data here. And you're going to save it as options.dat. And you're going to save it here in this folder. Now, I already have this kind of file saved in my wwhm 2012 path. So I'll just show you real quick here in my File Explorer. So you can see I already have options.dat in my folder itself. Options commercial equals true. So I'm not going to do it again. But all you would do is just save it right there in this folder. And then if we open up wwhm 2012, and we go to the schematic window, bam, we can see all of our commercial elements in the commercial toolbox right there. And now we're set. If you want to remove them, delete that file. They won't be in there anymore. But if you want options to see them, just go ahead and place it in that folder. And that is the step for adding commercial elements to your WWHM 2012 project. What is also included here in the downloads is, I think we have included, you can just straight up download the options.dat file. So we added that option here. So if you want to take an even easier route, go to your downloads folder. The options.dat file is there as well. So you can just straight up download it, put it in the correct directory as we've outlined here, and you'll be all set. There's nothing else for you to do. So we hope that video was helpful. Okay, leave a comment if you're struggling with this and you need some help with that. We'll be happy to help you at Clear Creek Solutions. If you have any additional questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time.